Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Everyone, mark your attendance. So, just wait. So, everyone, mark your attendance. Is it visual to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, everyone, mark your attendance. Okay, can I proceed? So, I think in last class, I'm discussing about your site distance consideration, and I cover your first site distance consideration or first type of site distance, that is your stopping site distance. So, next one is your overtaking site distance. So, second is your overtaking site distance. Taking overtaking site distance. This is second type of site distance, overtaking site distance. सुशीला क्या भूल गए होगे? सुशीला
सर सॉरी सर मिस्टेक हो गया।
ओके ओके, तुम लिखे हो सर भूल गए होंगे। भूल गए होगे तो 30 में 30 सबको कैसे आ जाता है बताओ? सब लोग एग्जाम देते हो, सबको 30 में 30 आ जाता है, सब पता है तब ना? 30 में 30 ले आते हो सब लोग, लगभग लगभग। अच्छा है, ठीक है, सबको सब कुछ आता है। चलो ठीक है। So second side distance is about overtaking side distance. So in overtaking side distance, if you carefully see, one word is hidden, that is overtaking. So basically overtaking is a general phenomena which will happen on our pavement or which will happen on road. So if all the vehicles which will be moving on a road, so listen carefully, I discuss overtaking side distance in detail, and this side distance is very important for your various examination, because in various examination the examiner should ask many questions from your overtaking side distance. Also in your gate examination, a favorite topic from geometric design is your overtaking side distance. So if you carefully see, up to 20 or 22 years last question paper of your gate examination, you find in every 1 or 2 year they ask a question from overtaking side distance. There is nothing more technical thing involved in your overtaking side distance, but if you observe it carefully, then every doubt or everything will be clear. So take patience for your continuous two session, and in this two session I try to cover your overtaking side distance. So listen carefully. if all the vehicles which will be moving on a road at a design speed, then we already know, but that some of the factors which governs our stopping side distance is: first, reaction time; second is your our design speed; third is our braking efficiency; fourth is our friction between tire and pavement or tire and road; and next one is gradient of the road. So from similar manner, if we think for geometric design, we generally consider every geometrical aspect designing with respect to speed. We consider our design speed. So if all the vehicles which will be moving on a road at a design speed, then there is no any concept of overtaking will be involved. Because if you see, this is your road. If you carefully see here, if this is your road, and here, if every vehicle, here one vehicle is present, 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 here another vehicle is present, if every vehicle moving with same speed, that means for considering various element, our for geometric design, first is our cross section element, second is our side distance consideration, third is our horizontal alignment, fourth is our vertical alignment. So for designing every geometrical elements for the geometric design, we consider design as a design speed. We consider speed as a design speed, because we know already know in India or in developing country, mixed traffic is operated. That means mixed traffic means in this particular road, a bus is traveling. In this same particular road, a railgadi is traveling. In this particular road, a cyclist is moving. In this particular road, a motorcycle is moving. On this same road, a car is also moving. So we know in India, mixed traffic is operated basically for designing the various geometrical features of our road or our pavement. We consider a standard vehicle. I already discussed these things. So standard vehicle is our passenger car, because during your cross-sectional element consideration, I discussed about your width of pavement. So basically, width of pavement or carriageway decided on the basis of traffic lane and number of lane. So traffic lane is also decided on the basis of standard vehicle. So we consider standard vehicle as our passenger car unit, or we consider our standard vehicle as passenger car. So by taking the width, length, height, clearance from ground of passenger car, we design various aspects of our geometrical elements. In same fashion or in same manner, we know on a road in India, mixed traffic is operated, and every traffic has their own speed. That means a cyclist is moving with 10 kilometer per hour, a belgadi is moving with 2 kilometer per hour, a motorcycle is moving with 60 kilometer per hour, a car is moving with 80 kilometer per hour, a bus is moving with 50 kilometer per hour, a truck is moving with 70 kilometer per hour. We know these things. But for designing various aspects of our geometric design, we consider a speed which is known as design speed, which I already discussed in your side distance consideration. So here, for analyzing or for calculating various aspects of our geometric design, we consider design speed of a vehicle and take design speed as standard vehicle. Among these all the speeds, we consider design speed for our geometric design. But here, this is the assumption that for every geometric design consideration, we consider speed as a design speed. But it is not true, because in India, mixed traffic is operated and every traffic has its certain speed. So it is clear to everyone? It is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if all, so my first point of discussion is, if all the vehicle, here one vehicle, here your another vehicle, here your another vehicle, here your another vehicle, if all the vehicles will moving with same speed, if all the vehicles, will moves with same speed, that means all the vehicles have same design speed, all the vehicle have same design speed, then there is no need of overtaking. Because if here, if cycle is moving ahead of my motorcycle, and here here if a bullock cart, that means Belgari, is moving ahead of our motorcycle, then we know the speed of this cyclist or the speed of this bullock cart is not more than the speed of my motorcycle. So just what I do, just I take or just I maneuver my motorcycle from here and carefully see from opposite direction, is any bus, truck, or is any vehicle is coming or not. If the vehicle is coming, we generalize the speed of this vehicle in our mind that I think after seeing the opposite direction vehicle, we see a Scorpio is coming with a speed of 90 kilometer per hour. So we do not allow our motorcycle to overtake this cyclist or this Valgari, because if I take maneuver or if I try to overtake this cyclist or this bullock cart, then from opposite direction the Scorpio which is coming, they hit us and they will collide with our motorcycle. So a serious accident will be happen. So basically what we do for taking or for overtaking, we generally see the opposite direction vehicle, and also we see the overtaken speed of overtaken vehicle. If I want to overtake this cyclist, then suddenly cyclist start or suddenly cyclist accelerate its speed, or its speed comes out to be 30 kilometer per hour. If in case of cyclist, we see the speed of the cyclist is considerably less than the motorcycle. If you carefully see here, if one's motorcycle is also moving with 40 kilometer per hour, and if you want to overtake this motorcycle, suddenly this motorcycle start accelerating its speed, and its speed comes out to be 70 kilometer per hour. So in that case, you also do not try to overtake that motorcycle. So these are the various phenomena which will be involved in our overtaking side distance. So first point is, if all the vehicle which will be moving on a road at a design speed, then theoretically there will be no need for overtaking, but practically it will never happen. Hence, vehicle moving at design speed has to overtake the slow moving vehicle. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so carefully, if you see here, if here all the vehicles, here all the vehicles, here all the vehicles will moves with, here all the vehicles will moves with same design speed. So here there is no needs of overtaking. So here there is no need of overtaking, because every vehicle will move with same design speed. But it is not practically possible, because vehicles in India, vehicles moving with a different design speed. So here in India, overtaking side distance comes in role. But in many developed countries like in Japan, in US, or in UK, there is a penalty on overtaking. That is a penalty on overtaking. So in that developed country, every vehicle will moves with their minimum design speed. If the vehicle is not moves with their design speed, then the पुलिस विल फाइन अ पेनाल्टी ऑन दैट व्हीकल. मतलब कि इंडिया में ऐसा नहीं है. इंडिया में अगर हम लोग तेज गाड़ी चलाएंगे तब हमारे ऊपर पेनाल्टी लगेगा, लेकिन जो डेवलप्ड कंट्री है वहाँ पे ये है कि आपका डिजाइन स्पीड इतना फिक्स है. अगर इस डिजाइन स्पीड में आप अपने गाड़ी को नहीं चला रहे हैं तो आपको पुलिस वाला पेनाल्टी कर सकता है. लेकिन हमारे यहाँ ऐसा केस नहीं है, इसीलिए हमारे यहाँ मिक्स ट्रैफिक है. मिक्स ट्रैफिक है, हर एक गाड़ी अपने अपने डिजाइन स्पीड से मूव करता है, या फिर हर एक गाड़ी अपने अपने स्पीड से मूव करता है. लेकिन अगर हर एक गाड़ी का एक कॉमन डिजाइन स्पीड हो जाए तो ओवरटेक करने का बात ही नहीं रहेगा, लेकिन ये प्रैक्टिकली हमारे यहाँ पॉसिबल नहीं. सो बेसिकली दीज आर द बेसिक पॉइंट्स व्हिच विल बी इन्वॉल्वड इन आवर ओवरटेकिंग साइड डिस्टेंस. नेक्स्ट, what is overtaking side distance? Basically this overtaking side distance is defined as this OSD. This OSD is also known as overtaking side distance, is also known as safe passing side distance. It is also known as safe. It is also known as safe passing safe passing safe passing side distance. It is also known as safe passing side distance. What is the other name of stopping side distance? That means SST. Can anyone say what is the other name of SSD? Here the other name of OSD is safe passing side distance. What is the other name of SSD?
Sir, absolute minimum distance, sir.
So
Okay,
non-passing side distance.
okay, okay,
Side distance.
okay,
Minimum
good.
side distance.
Okay, okay. Basically, SSD is also known as stopping side distance. SSD is also known as absolute minimum side distance, and SSD is also known as non-passing side distance. So here you already see OSD is also known as safe passing side distance. So basically, overtaking side distance is the minimum distance open to the vision of the driver of a vehicle intended to overtake slow moving vehicle with safety against traffic in opposite direction is termed as overtaking side distance or safe passing side distance. I repeat the definition of OSD and safe passing side distance again. So basically, OSD is the minimum distance open to the vision of the driver of a vehicle intending, that means try to overtake the slow moving vehicle with safety against traffic in opposite direction is termed as OST, and it is also known as safe passing side distance. So basically OST है कि तुम्हारे आगे, और these are the very practical things, बट अब गाड़ी चला रहे हो, आगे देखते ही हो कि एक ट्रक यहाँ से मूव कर रहा है, ये बड़ा सा ट्रक आगे हमारे जा रहा है, इस ट्रक का स्पीड अभी 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, जबकि हमारे बाइक का स्पीड 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर है। तो हम थोड़ा दूर इस ट्रक के पीछे पीछे चलेंगे, इसके स्पीड के बराबर अपने ट्रक के स्पीड के बराबर अपने बाइक के स्पीड को लाएंगे, फिर धीरे से यहाँ से एसिलेट करना चालू करेंगे। लेकिन जैसे ही एसिलेट करेंगे, इधर हम देख लेंगे कि अपोजिट डायरेक्शन से कोई व्हीकल आ रहा है कि नहीं। अगर आ रहा है तो फिर अपने ही लाइन में चलेंगे, इसी के पीछे 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 थोड़ा दूर चलेंगे। जैसे ही लगेगा कि ये गाड़ी तो आ रहा है, लेकिन इधर जो आ रहा है वो ऑटो है, टेम्पो है, उसका स्पीड बहुत कम है, तो फिर हम क्या करेंगे, जल्दी से अपनी गाड़ी को एसिलेट करेंगे, इसको ओवरटेक करके अपने लाइन में फिर आके सुरक्षित हो जाएंगे और फिर अपना चलते रहेंगे। लेकिन जैसे ही देखेंगे कि इधर से भी एक हाई स्पीड बस आ रहा है, ओवरटेक नहीं करेंगे, इसी बस के पीछे 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 30 किलोमीटर के स्पीड से ही चलते रहेंगे। दूसरा भी कंडीशन हो सकता है, इधर से बस पास किया, इसके पीछे स्कॉर्पियो है, इसके पीछे और बड़ा गाड़ी है, मर्सिडीज है, तो ये सारा का सारा गाड़ी पास कर रहा है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर से ही इस ट्रक के पीछे पीछे 1 मिनट 2 मिनट अपना चलते रहेंगे, जब तक कि हमको ओवरटेक करने का टाइम ना मिले, और जब तक कि सेफली हम ओवरटेक ना कर ले, तब तक कि हम अपने गाड़ी को ओवरटेक नहीं करेंगे। ऐसा थोड़ी है कि यहाँ से ओवरटेक करते जाएंगे और इस बस में जाके मिल जाएंगे, ऐसे ही तो जनरली एक्सीडेंट होता है। इसलिए OST जो है हमारे कंसिडरेशन का एक पार्ट है। तो आई डिफाइन OST एज द मिनिमम डिस्टेंस open to the vision of the driver of a vehicle intending to overtake slow moving vehicle. This is our slow moving vehicle. So this is the first part, the minimum distance open to the vision of driver of a vehicle intending to overtake slow moving vehicle with safety. Here safety is our top priority. So with safety against traffic in opposite direction is termed as OST, and it is also known as safe passing side distance. It is also known as safe passing side distance. So remember this point. Can I proceed? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So here you all see. Just wait. So this is the alignment of our road. So OST is measured because I already discussed in SST. SST is measured along center line of the road, considering the eye level of driver. What is the eye level of driver in SST? Above the surface or above the pavement? What is the eye level?
1.2 meter.
Okay, I consider or I measure the eye level of driver at 1.2 meter above the surface. And what is the height of object above the surface or above the pavement?
0.15 meter.
Okay, So generally in SST consideration, we consider the eye level of driver at 1.2 meter above the surface, and also the height of object or height of obstruction at 0.15 meter above the surface. So in OST it is changing. So here basically we observe the eye level of driver is 1.2 meter. There is no change for the eye level of driver, and also here the height of object above the ground surface is 1.2 meter. So keep this point in mind that in SSD the height of eye of driver is 1.2 meter and height of object is 0.15 meter. But in SSD the height of driver eye is 1.2 meter, and also the height of object is 1.2 meter above the surface. So basically this is the eye level of our driver. So this is the eye level of our driver. This is the eye level of our driver. This is also the height of object from the pavement. So basically this is 1.2 meter. This is 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter, and this is also 1.2 meter. This is also 1.2 meter. Also 1.2 meter. And this is our road. This is our road. This is basically our road. This is eye level, and this is the sight line, and this is the sight line of our driver. So these are the point you all kept in mind. So I discussed 3 points. If all the vehicles which will be moving on a road at design speed, then there is no need for overtaking. But practically it is not happening in India, because in India mixed traffic is operated. So every vehicle with travel with their own speed. So overtaking side distance comes in role in our Indian context. So what is OST? It is also known as safe passing side distance. Basically, it is the minimum distance open to the vision of driver of a vehicle intending to overtake slow moving vehicles with safety against traffic in opposite direction is termed as our OST, or safe passing side distance. Next is OST is measured along OST is measured along center line of the road, considering the eye level of driver at 1.2 meter above the surface, and also observing the object at a height of 1.2 meter above the surface. So basically in OST it is changed, because in SST we considered the eye level of driver from the pavement surface is 1.2 meter and height of object is to be 0.15 meter, but here 1.2 meter, 1.2 meter. In both case we take 1.2 meter. So these are the basic points. So is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So our next point of discussion is factors affecting. In same fashion I discuss, just wait. I discuss factors affecting our SST. In same manner I discuss factors affecting OST. So can you say what are the factors which affect our SST? Factors affecting SST. What are the factors which affect our OST? What are the
Sir,
factors?
speed.
Okay, someone is saying sir speed. Okay. Which speed? Which speed?
Sir, vehicle speed, sir.
Okay, which vehicle speed? Because here 3 vehicles comes in role, because this is a very general case or very practical case which observed you
Sir,
in your data.
both vehicles, sir. Overtaking vehicle and overtaken vehicle.
So who is saying these things? I think. So can you repeat once again, Rajiv?
Sir, overtaking vehicle and overtaken vehicle, sir.
So you saying, sir, first factor which affect our OST is first is speed of vehicle. So it is right. First factor is our speed. So basically, first is our speed of vehicle. So you saying, sir, speed of vehicle and the vehicle is our speed of overtaking vehicle. That means the vehicle which overtake the slow moving vehicle. So first point is overtaking vehicle speed. Next is your overtaken vehicle. That means the vehicle which is moving with slow speed is our overtaken vehicle. Is any vehicle left which speed is also mandatory for considering our OST? I think
The
one
vehicle
vehicle.
which comes from opposite.
Okay, okay. So you say it is right. So speed of vehicle. So speed of overtaking vehicle, speed of overtaken vehicle, and third one is vehicle which will be coming from opposite direction. We have to keep these three vehicle speed in our mind for our OST consideration, because this is the prime factor which affect our OST. First is the speed of overtaking vehicle, the speed of overtaken vehicle, and vehicle coming from opposite direction. If the vehicle which will be coming from opposite direction moves with very high speed, that we do not want to take a risk. So in that particular case, we do not allow our vehicle to overtake the another vehicle which will be moving with slow speed. Next is, if the overtaken vehicle, that means the slow moving vehicle, is also moving with same speed and in opposite direction, many vehicles will come continuously. So in that particular case, we do not allow our vehicle to overtake the vehicle. So these are the basic points which you want to kept, or which you all kept in mind. So first is our speed of vehicle. So 3, speed of vehicle. Speed of vehicle. So first is our overtaken vehicle. So just wait. First is our overtaken vehicle. Overtaking vehicle. Overtaking vehicle. First is overtaking vehicle. Second is overtaken, and third is the vehicle which moving from opposite direction. So is it clear to everyone? What is the other factor on which our OST depend? What are the another factor on which our OST will depend?
Reaction time, sir.
What?
Reaction time.
Okay, so you saying, sir, total reaction time. So it is okay. Next is our total reaction time. Next, reaction time of driver. Correct. Next. Next.
Distance available for overtaking.
You're saying, sir, distance available for overtaking. So, okay, distance between the two vehicle, overtaking and overtaken vehicle, it is correct. Next. What is next point? So you come. Second is your thing. First is speed of vehicle. Second is your reaction time of driver and also skill of the driver. Third point is your distance between the two vehicle. What left? Next is your gradient of road. Or
Sir, height of object.
I already discussed height of object. Height of object do not affect your OST, because if you see height of object, we take a 0.15 meter in SST. There is no any need for your height of object calculation in or your analysis part of your SST, stopping sight distance. Okay, so factor affecting OST is your speed of vehicle. Next is your reaction time of driver or skill of the driver. Third one is your distance between the two vehicle. Next one is your gradient of road. So basically this is one of the factor which affect our OST. And last one is your condition of overtaking vehicle, because These overtaking vehicles will try to accelerate or try to overtake the slow moving vehicle. So basically the condition of overtaking vehicles will also govern or will also affect our OST. So these are 5 factors which affect our OST. So in SSD I discussed factors which affect SSD is total reaction time, next design speed, next your braking efficiency, next your condition of tire, and next your gradient of load. In similar manner I discuss what are the factors which affect SOST. First is your speed of vehicle. In a speed of vehicle we take 3 points. First is your speed of overtaking vehicle, next is your speed of overtaken vehicle, and last one is your speed of vehicle which coming from opposite direction. Next factor which govern or which affect OST is reaction time of driver and skill of the driver. Next is your gradient of road. Next is your condition of overtaking vehicle. That means because condition of overtaking vehicle will be good because this vehicle will try to accelerate or try to increase its rate of acceleration to overtake the slow moving vehicle. So this is the basic factors which govern our OST. Next one is your distance between the two vehicle. Distance between two vehicle means overtaking vehicle and overtaken vehicle. So these are the factors which affect our OST. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next point of discussion is our analysis of OST. So next point of discussion is our analysis of OST. Analysis of OST. Analysis of OSD. So you all see this is the pavement or this is the road. This is the road. Here our one vehicle is moving. Here our one vehicle is moving. So basically, just wait. Here our one vehicle is moving. Here also the same vehicle is moving. I change the color. Here also another vehicle is moving. Here also the same vehicle is moving. In between, we give. Is it divided carriageway or undivided carriageway? Is it divided carriageway or undivided carriageway? Can anyone say, is it divided carriageway or undivided carriageway?
Divided carriageway.
Divided.
Okay, okay. So it is your divided carriageway. So I think let's wait. I try to make this vehicle. Here is our vehicle which will be coming from opposite direction, and this is the condition of our vehicle after some time. So basically this is your analysis part of OST. So this is the outlook or this is the view of your OST, and this is the movement of your vehicles. So basically here your one vehicle is moving. This vehicle name is A. The name of this vehicle is A. So I think in next session, if your session is expired, then this figure is automatically deleted. So next time I do not make this figure. So everyone keep this figure in your mind. So this is the vehicle B. And this is your vehicle C, which will be coming from opposite direction. So for considering OST, here this vehicle will comes with their own speed. So basically this vehicle is moving with a speed which is known as V, capital V. Here also this vehicle is moving with the same vehicle will move with a speed. The speed of that vehicle is V. Basically we consider that every vehicle will move with design speed. So here we generally consider it moves with VD, and in some book it is also written as VD, or in some book it is written as capital V. So we mark the speed of our opposite moving vehicle is V. Now here if we see here the vehicle which moving the vehicle A is moving with a speed of VB. So just keep this point in mind. This vehicle is moves with a speed VB. Here after some time this vehicle is also moves with a speed. The same vehicle is moves with a speed VB, and VB is the speed of your vehicle B. That means if you see carefully here, the vehicle which will be overtaking vehicle here, that means vehicle A will move with its design speed, but during overtaking process he reduce its speed from design speed to the speed of vehicle B, or for certain period of time, he just follow the vehicle B or moves with the speed of vehicle B. After the finding opportunity to overtake, he take or he maneuver his vehicle, he maneuver his vehicle and comes in different lane here he maneuvers his vehicle, comes in different lane, moves with its or accelerate its speed, moves with its own speed, and then he realized that from opposite direction certain vehicle is coming, then he gently come its own lane. So here you see our vehicle A is coming in its own lane. So this is the complete process of overtaking. Here our vehicle A is moves with the speed of vehicle B. Here our vehicle B is also moving. The speed of vehicle B is VB. Here also the speed of vehicle B is VB. So for certain period of time, we know that the speed of vehicle A is more than the speed of vehicle B, or the speed of vehicle A is the design speed. But for overtaking process, generally the vehicle A will decrease its speed from design speed or whatever the speed of vehicle A. He just decrease its velocity or speed and comes to the speed of vehicle B, and gently or slightly moves with behind the vehicle B, or